As a young trainer is about to start his journey of the region, this region is beginning. There are only 6 gyms. Once you shall face the champion, Dayton is start. Right now, he is just going. Me? Yeah, that's right. This is boring. Come on, this can't be this boring. Where are you, Dayton? Come on, I've been sitting up here in heaven with Arceus forever. Literally forever. I've been sitting up here in heaven waiting for this guy to awake from his slumber. Arceus, can I have some tea? Oh wait. I can't believe today has finally come! Today I get my first Pokemon for sure! I've always dreamed of setting an adventure with Pokemon by my side! Yes! Can I just cancel out a show or something? I hope to discover them all one day! Let's go! Well, I better get going. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to figure out what... I wonder if Corbin's gonna meet us out there. Well, I better fill out... And that would be Dayton. Why not? Dang it! Why is my trainer pen? Problem solved. I think I just threw my pen. Ah, great. Glitchy trainer cards. Let me just... I'm that much closer to being an official Pokemon trainer.
Begins his journey at...
Alright, this is this paper's boring. I'll just throw it out.
Seriously?
Journey. He wonders what happened today. Will he get a starter Pokemon? Will he become a good trainer? To be continued.
Did you pause it?